Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs, and today I wanted to show you this design that I put together for a glass wrap using the Tech Wrap sticker vinyl and also the adhesive craft vinyl. So let's get going and I'll show you how I've put this together. First up is setting up a border, just measuring the cup so you get the right design, and then you can move things around as you need to. Then I'm going into my library. I use Silhouette Studio, and I guess you could use the same concept with the Cricut Design Space. So in my library I had downloaded these brush strokes, and I'm using those as a background for a number of quotes, and my quotes are kind of a little bit sarcastic, a little bit funny, and I just wanted to do something different. So I'm setting up now all the space around with the brush strokes, and then each quote is going on top of a brush stroke, and right in the middle I'm having another quote that says everything's fine. So I'm just setting up the quotes now. All my quotes I got from Creative Fabrica. They're easy to find, as are the brushstroke designs. And there you can see I've set everything up with the middle quote, it's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine. To get rid of some of the negative space there, I just popped in a few little extra flowers, and that just ties up the design. And I'm going to use the textured gold metallic for those, so that will stand out really nicely. Next thing I need to do is set everything up so I can have a printed out copy. I just have to turn it to the side because it's A4 size, and you could do that with the letter size, whatever paper size you have. And I just print out a copy because that is going to help me when I place each sticker vinyl decal onto the cup. And now I'm setting up my registration marks, getting ready for the print and cut feature. And again, with the sticker vinyl, it is A4 size, so I'm just moving that around to fit the A4 size paper and make sure it's within my registration marks. And I'm just taking out the flowers, taking out the colour that I put on there. I don't need the colour in either the quote in the middle. I'm going to cut that with some different adhesive craft vinyl. So here's my sticker vinyl, and I love this stuff. This is such amazing vinyl to use, and it cuts so well, so nicely. So here I am just setting up, I'm ready to go, and I've printed off a copy in my inkjet printer, and now I'm ready to do the cut part. So I'm just tracing each silhouette brush stroke that I've put there to make sure that all the quotes have been removed, but I just made sure that everything was in the same space, and you can see there it's ready to go. So now I use my Silhouette Cameo to cut out each brush stroke, and you can see there it's printed with all the quotes on there as it should have. And these are the other vinyls that I'm going to use, so a gold textured vinyl and the Mirror Chrome Cool Blue. This is one of my favourite colour combinations. I've used this a couple of times, but you can see, as with all the Mirror Chrome vinyls, they peel away nicely, and I'm using my weeding pen just to get rid of any excess there. And once I've done that, I will add that on top of my offset, which is the metallic textured, another one of my favourites. I think this is a lot of people's favourites, and comes off with no issues. Just getting rid of the excess there, using my transfer tape, sorry, and my squidgy, just burnishing that down and running the squidgy over the back to make sure that everything is loaded onto the transfer paper. Now I set that up on the offset, and that goes on nicely, no problems at all. So you can see here now I've put the printed out copy inside my cup, and that just makes life so much easier when you're trying to place everything, particularly with centering and the sizing. So I've set that up inside pretty much how I want it, and it's just a matter of sticking everything over the top of what I see from the inside. So I've used my finger there, but you can use your squidgy. I was using my squidgy to actually hold my cup in as a cup holder, so it has a variety of uses. And here we are now with the sticker vinyl, and you can see how nicely and easily that pulls away. You just have to go slowly. You don't have to go crazy, and it pulls away nicely. A couple of little spots needed some help, but there we have our stickers ready to go. So I'm using my squidgy again to hold my cup steady, and now I'm just placing all my quotes on there. So the first one is "I swear because I care." Next one is "Hot Mess Express." And this is the beauty of this sticker vinyl. You could put any kind of quotes that you wanted to. You can, as I said, you can get them from Creative Fabrica, set them up as a design like this with the brush strokes as the background, and I think it's come out really well. And I had in total 9 or 10 quotes. I won't read them all out, but some of them I can't read out. This one is "I make poor decisions." Another one before was "fantastic and sarcastic." I'm a bit of a sarcastic person, so I thought I wanted to do a cup that kind of reflects a little bit my style, and I think it's a lot of other people's style too. Then the next one is "I speak fluent sarcasm." And we're almost at the end. And "cleverly disguised as a responsible adult," and "dead inside but caffeinated." Then I use the textured vinyl again to add on the flower decorations, just to fill in that negative space that I was talking about earlier. And you can use any design for that, or not even have the flowers. You might think maybe that's a bit too much, but again, that's the beauty of being able to make your own design with the sticker vinyl. You can cut and print the size that you need, and if you need to fill in some negative space, just find the design that you would like. So the flowers come off easily with my tweezers there and attach nicely to the cup, and we are done. So I think this has turned out really, really well. So it's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.